Hello everyone, this is Jay and good morning. It's Sunday, which is one of my favorite days. On Sundays, I usually give an update on my dividend portfolio. I'm going to show you the buys that I made in the last week, a screenshot of the purchase that I made from my weekly challenge with Jeremy. And then a milestone from one of the subscribers that was commented in the comment section in one of the previous videos. So I hope you all have breakfast or maybe drinking your tea, your cup of coffee. So let's go right into the video. So as you can see right here, this is my sector allocation by market value, and 39% of my money is into ETFs, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes, especially that I have built up to keep track of my dividend portfolio. But let's go right into the updates tab. And here it is. These were all of my purchases in the last week. And you're going to see less purchases this week because I went pretty heavy. And I'm going to say it first, actually. So I went pretty heavy into Vici, ticker symbol VICI. I put $20 into Vici. They reported earnings and they came out very good. I like the numbers. And I'm just I'm gonna buy more, and that's gonna be my approach with Vici as of right now. This is in the real estate sector. The share price was $30.27. As you can see, they were all purchased. All my purchases were done on Friday, except my weekly challenge, which I'm gonna show in a few minutes. But I'm definitely very excited about Vici. And they're definitely growing and growing. So do your research. Do you hold Vici in your portfolio? I know some of my subscribers do, and they have posted it before in the comment section. So definitely excited about that one. Then my next two purchases was my regular $25 into VYM and SCHD, no matter where the price is at. So VYM was the share price was at $115.57. And SCHD, the share price was at $77.92. So these two are my main core holdings in my portfolio. So I'm going to show you in a few minutes how big they are, or how many shares I have into each one. Then $10 into FXAIX, my S&P 500 index fund. Share price was at $176.93. Then I put $10 into Realty income. So I went pretty heavy in the real estate sector this week. But it's just always on a dip right now too. So this one definitely looking good. And after earnings also. Share price was at $52.78. So I've been bringing my cost per share down. I have the drip turned on. So they paid about a week ago. And I dripped it right into the stock, so he continues to buy me shares, which I'm definitely excited about. CamView, I put $5 into CamView, ticker symbol KVUE. I did not buy any last week, so I bought some this week. Share price was at $19.19. And then I put $5 into Visa, which ran up to $285.33. Visa, definitely one of my regrets that I do not know why I did not start position sooner rather than later. So, but I put $5 into Visa. I'll probably deploy the last of the cash that I have into Visa on Monday when I buy my $10 of Apple, which is going to be the last day of my challenge with Jeremy. And the total in purchases was $99.69 for this week. And let's go right into the right so I can show you the screenshot. So as you can see here to the left, you're gonna see a screenshot of my buy on Apple, $10. It was done on the settlement date was on February 22nd, but I purchased it on February 20th, which it was Tuesday if I'm not mistaken, because Monday the market was closed. The share price was at $181.17, and the amount $9.96. That's what it cleared at. And the shares that he purchased for me was 0.055. So it is very little, but everything just continues to add up. I just continue to stick to my strategy no matter what the comments say. I know there are some trolls that are gonna be posting comments, or people that are gonna be posting their opinion on their strategy, and I respect everyone's strategy. If you only go for ETFs, that's great. If you only go for regular stocks, that's also great. As long as you stick to your own strategy, I've been sticking to my strategy, and I feel like it has been working. And I'm just very focused on my portfolio. And I do appreciate everyone's opinions. I do take everyone's opinions, and I respect them, regardless of what your opinion is, if it's positive or negative. But I'm definitely here to share my journey. And would I make mistakes? Yes, most likely I will. Everyone does. But I'm going to learn from them, and then maybe you can learn from those mistakes that I make, right? So definitely I'm going to continue with my strategy. And one of the things that I wanted to share was Legendary posted a milestone that happened this past week. And the comment says this: I moved most of my REIT money into my VNQ REIT ETF. That's from Vanguard, for anyone that doesn't know. If you want me to make a video on it, please leave it in the comment section. I'll definitely make a video on this VNQ REIT. Still holding ADC in addition. Also hit my 50K portfolio milestone today. Happy about that one. I'm definitely very happy about you, Legendary. $50,000 in portfolio market value. That's awesome. Definitely very excited for you on that one. So keep it going. Stay consistent for sure. That's definitely awesome. I think I'm gonna make a tab over here so you guys can post your milestones, and I'm gonna take screenshots and post them in here if you want to be posted in the video. All right, so let's go right into my dividend portfolio, and this is the spreadsheet where I keep track of my holdings. I'm hoping once I buy my my laptop, I'll be able to share this. I want to work a little bit more on this channel. Make it a little bit better for sure, and make a link where I can share this spreadsheet with some of the charts that I have. So, but that's going to be in the future, hopefully. And one of my subscribers, I forget the name, Obvious Crew, I was going to work on posting how much I have saved in my laptop, but I was working on a few other things and I did not have much chance yesterday, but it's definitely a good idea, so I definitely appreciate that. All right, so right here, as you can see, 36 shares of SCHD, but what I'm most excited about is my market value on my VYM position. I crossed the $1,000 in market value. Let me go to the right because you guys know the names of the companies right here. So I'm gonna go to the right, as you can see right here. So I have $1,000 in market value, over $900 invested into this ETF, and I'm gonna continue buying. I'm just gonna continue putting it. I want to put it right here next to SCHD. So I'm at 8.76 shares. I'm almost at 10 shares. So I'm just gonna continue buying $25 on a weekly basis. I'm in the positive. As you can see, it is performing better than my SCHD position, actually. 7.78% in the positive performance. My SCHD position, it is 6.86 in the positive. But I really like both, and I know a lot of you do hold both too, and some of you only hold SCHD, which I also respect. Definitely SCHD is like my favorite ETF. So yeah, this one I'm excited about. All Realty income, I'm definitely very heavy on it, but it's just I see it as a deal right now. What's your opinion on O? Right now I just see it as with the FFO, how it is, and it continues to grow. They acquire another 2,000 properties, so they have like over 15,000 properties right now that they own. So this one I feel pretty good about it. Total return for all Realty income is not my goal. I just want that monthly income from it. You know, I'm doing this one mostly for the dividends. That's one of my goals. To hopefully not have to work 2 jobs forever, right? Because it definitely, you get tired from it after some time. But definitely one of my goals right there. Another one, have J&J at 5.2. I did not buy any J&J or Main Street Capital. A lot of people are buying Main Street Capital. I'm definitely very happy about my position right here. I'm in the positive by 18%, so I'm really excited about that. PG, Procter & Gamble, this is one that I gotta start growing. I don't know, maybe I'll do a $10 challenge next month in March at whatever price it's at, just to continue building. Even if it will be like $40 in 1 month, but I definitely want to continue building this position. So I'll probably do something like that next month into it. I am in the positive by 17.5%. So I'm up $83, but I really like this company and I want to continue investing in it. KO, Coca-Cola, definitely continues to run up. My cost per share is $57, which I'm happy. I took advantage of the dip on that one. PFE, Pfizer, I didn't buy any. I'm in the negative by 16%. I'm hit on there, but I'm gonna continue to dollar cost average into PFE. Vici, definitely one that I'm excited about. 10.3 shares. Share price is at $30.05. And my cost per share is $30.16. So I want to continue building this position right here. Apple, I'm at 1.6 shares. Starbucks paid the dividend this week. How much did you get in dividends from Starbucks? I only got like $1 something, which it will not buy me anything at Starbucks. I do not think so. I don't shop at Starbucks, so you will need to help me with that because it was like $1.70 something cents. So I do not think I could buy anything, not even an empty cup, or maybe a couple of things of sugar, but it's just gonna continue growing, right? That's the approach that I'm taking. So I dripped it back on into Starbucks. I did not buy any this week. I should have bought some more actually, Starbucks, but maybe next week. I'll put it into next week's buy list for sure. My MPW, it is at $3.84. Watch, wow, nice. Hopefully it reaches $4, so it can keep me. It can get me a little bit happy, I'm in the negative by $344, but I'm going to continue holding on this one. They pay in April the next dividend, which I have the drip turned off, and I'm going to grab that money and put it into VYM or SCHD. Most likely into VYM because I really want to grow that position right there. Kenvue is another one that I'm in the negative by 15%, but I have almost 12 and a half shares. So I want to continue building that position also. That may be one that maybe I'll try to do, since it's such a cheap price, maybe I'm going to try to build to 100 shares and maybe start doing something like options or cover calls or things like that to get that extra money. But that will be the future. I'm not into it yet. I haven't done my research on how to do options or cover calls or anything like that. But maybe one that will motivate me to do that, right? But that will be the future. Once I do more research and once I learn, I'm going to try to watch some videos and read about it and see what mistakes people have made so I can learn from it, right? That's the best thing. Visa, I have a half a share already. I'm going to continue building Visa. I only bought $5 this week. That's all I had left because I wanted to go heavier into Vici. But I'm going to buy some more next week for sure. I'm in the positive already by 3% pretty much. In the positive by $5. I would have been more in the positive if I bought when I first posted my videos and Visa was like around 250, I think it was. So definitely a bummer, but it's okay. We all learn, right? That's what happens for timing the market instead of spending time in the market, right? My portfolio right now, $11,321 in market value. I was closer to the $11,000 flat last week, but the market did pretty good for me. So it went up pretty much almost $300, and that's with the $100 that I invested in it, that I deposited. So definitely excited about that. And this is what I'm working towards, which is the estimated yearly dividend, which is almost at $440 in estimated yearly dividends. I'm really excited about that. My SCHD is almost at $100 in estimated yearly dividends. I'm really, really excited. My first position that will hit $100 in yearly dividends. So that's $10 a month pretty much. That definitely I can buy me. What can I buy me with $10 every month? So once every month, I could probably treat myself to something, right? I don't know, maybe a sandwich somewhere or something, right? Leave it in the comment section. What would you get with $10 a month in dividends? I'm definitely excited about that. Yes, I know probably some people are going to be like, oh, this guy's crazy. Wow, $10, that's nothing. Oh, yeah, wow, but it's okay. I don't mind. I'm growing my dividend portfolio, and hopefully in 10 years, because that's what I want to, that's what I'm thinking about, and that's what keeps me motivated. In 10 years, where is this portfolio going to be at? I'm hoping definitely at 100,000 at least minimum. That's my goal, and hopefully even higher. You just never know. I'm definitely very focused on growing this portfolio right here, and also my growth portfolio actually. But that one I'm going a little bit slower. I do want to grow my money so I can deposit that money into this portfolio and boost it. But that's another plan. As you can see right here, this is my portfolio salary, $36 per month in estimated dividends, $8.45 per week, and $1.20 per day of the year. And if this portfolio worked a 40-hour week, it will get paid 21 cents an hour for pretty much doing nothing, right? So definitely that's an exciting one. This is a chart that I like also. SHD, my highest payer. If you don't like to look at numbers in the spreadsheet, you like to look at charts. Definitely, this is a good chart. And maybe when I post my free link to this tracking spreadsheet, I'll probably leave this one for you guys. And yeah, SCHD $96 and Realty Income $81 in yearly dividends. Wow, nice. Main Street Capital $45, and then everything else is less than $45. So I'm definitely excited about that. And I wanted to do a quick review of Agree Realty ADC. I'm sorry for making the video longer, but Agree Realty, ticker symbol ADC, market cap $5.78 billion. This is a triple net lease real estate company, pretty much almost like a smaller, I would say, and everyone call it like a smaller Realty Income right here. The dividend is $2.93 per share per year. Dividend yield, if you pick up any shares right now, they will be a 5.10% dividend yield you will get. As you can see, in the last 5 years, I was taking a look at it actually. In the last 5 years, the share price is down 12.5%. If you open the max, it is up 198%. Wow, nice. They've been in the market right here. It says since like 1994. Not sure if that is true. Most likely not. Most likely they've been. Oh no, yeah, it is. IPO date April 15, 1994. So if you bought any in April 15, 1994, you will be up 200% in just share price appreciation. That's not counting the dividends reinvested. So imagine reinvesting the dividends since 1994. That would be crazy. So definitely that will be like a very, very nice return. You will be very, very happy. The analysts are calling this a buy. We're not going to go into the financials, even though we should. Let's take a look at the revenue. Look at that revenue, how it just continues to grow and grow and grow from 53, what is this, $1 million? I think it is. Yeah, $53 million in 2014 to $537 million in 2023. So they have pretty much grown that revenue by 10 times pretty much in the last 10 years. But let's go right into my Seeking Alpha tab, which is where I have it. Financials, income statement. We got to look at the FFO, and let's take a look at it right here. As you can see, this is in millions US dollars. And in 2019, they were at $114 million in FFO. for that year, then $202 million in 2021, and then in 2023 they already posted the numbers, $343 million in FFO. So they just continuing to grow and grow. They already tripled in the last 4 years, pretty much 4 or 5 years, their FFO. The FFO payout ratio, as you can see, it has been very steady from 78% in 2019 to 95% actually in 2021, but then now it is steady in the last 2 years at around 80%. Which is definitely nice. And their AFFO also growing and growing. As you can see, $125 million in 2019, $237 million in 2021, and $378 million in 2023. So this is definitely growing and growing. Their FFO per share also definitely growing from $2.80 in 2019 to $3.59 in 2023. The more research I do into this company, the more I like it, honestly. Definitely a good pick. Legendary holds it, Randy, and I forgot who else owns it, but there's another one in my comments. Let me take a quick look real quick. I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting, but there was one more of my subscribers that also own ADC, and it is Randy, Legendary, and I feel like one more person owned it. Oh, just a dividend investor. One of my other subscribers, definitely an active one also. So this company looks really, really good, in my opinion. But of course, always do your research. This is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy that puts his hard-working money, hard-earned money into the stock market. The 5-year dividend growth rate, 6.30%. So this one is more of a higher yielder than a higher grower, but still 6% is pretty good. I like that. I'll take that. I'll take the 6% dividend growth rate for sure. So let me see in total returns. Let's take a look at the peers real quick before you guys go. I know that the video is taking long, but let me see the total return. If you held it, okay, let's take a look. In the last year, total return, you're in the negative by 17%. But let's take a look at the 3-year total return. You're in the positive by almost 1%, actually, ADC. And then in the 5-year total return, you'll be up 6%. So not very, very high growth in total return. But this company, this is the approach that people usually take with this one is for the income, not to grow your money. You grow your money in other holdings, like maybe a growth ETF, like one of my favorite, SCHG, which is one that someone posted in the comments that would like to know my opinion. Is definitely one of my favorite ones. Spoiler alert. SCHG has some really, really nice returns with past performance. But ADC, as you can see right here, you don't get much total return, but those dividends look really, really nice. And definitely some nice growth right there. So please leave me your opinion in the comment section on ADC. And as you can see, they changed from being a quarterly payer to a monthly payer. So you'll get that monthly dividend right there, which is also nice if you're looking to maybe get your bills paid on a monthly basis and have this company pay it for you. All right, everyone. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Definitely leave me your opinion in the comment section. Even if it's positive or negative, I'll still read it. I'll still respond back. I'm sorry if you don't like what I respond, but I try to be as honest as I can be. But I will not put anybody down. I will be supportive. So always, please do your due diligence. Do your research. Definitely don't listen to others. Stick to your strategy. And don't sell because others are selling, or don't buy because others are buying, right? But definitely very, very excited. about this one. So please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. I'm almost at 600 subscribers, which I'm definitely excited about. So, all right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.